Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to fry one of the most important foods in my house. That's chips. Chips, 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 chips and more chips. So even though you can actually just open the freezer, cut open a bag, pop them in the oven and voila. But there's something about potato itself. How do you take this and make this something into soft in the middle, crunchy on the outside? I'll show you how to do that. Okay, so before I start, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I'd love you to do so. Click on the bell icon, get the latest updates on the recipes and what's going on in my channel. Follow me on Instagram, and you can always send me an email. Okay, if you like my recipes, or if you'd like me to make a recipe for you, send me an email or just ping me in my description below. Okay, so all I've done is I've peeled the potato, chopped it up to about a centimetre thick, and I've let it soak in some salt water for about 10 odd minutes. And now I'll rinse them, and I've got a pan of hot water behind me. I'm going to parboil these. Now, when I'm parboiling these, it shouldn't take more than about 5-6 minutes. And just as the outskirts of the potato chip become a bit translucent, that's when we need to take them out. And I'll show you what to do next. So, okay, welcome back everyone. And it looks like my potato chips are pretty much parboiled. Now, if you see those potato chips, they may look different colored because they're different potatoes, but they look fairly translucent from the edges. So in this case, they're done. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pop them onto some kitchen towel and onto a cooling rack, and we'll cool these down. And once they're cool, I'll take you to the next step. Okay, welcome back everybody, and I've got the pan with oil, and it's reached about 180 degrees, which is round about what I want. Now I'm going to pop these potato chips in there slowly, a little slowly, just to ensure that they don't splatter. And they'll need around about 5 to 6 minutes. Now, as you put these chips in, the temperature might slightly drop, so that's not a problem. If it does, we'll just control the temperature and bring it up again. And at this stage, best just to let them fry for about 4 to 5 minutes. Some of them will actually start floating to the top, and you'll see the color change as well. So for now, let's leave them as they are, and I'll show you what they look like in a few more minutes. Okay, welcome back everyone. So my potato chips look as if they're nice and golden, and I think I can turn the heat down now and start removing them. And what I'm going to do now is basically just pop them onto some kitchen towel and just to soak up the rest of the oil, and I'll see you back at the serving area.